I hope you're all doing well. What we're going to cover this week is an absolute fantastic recipe from the How Not to Diet cookbook. This book is absolutely brilliant. It's one of 2 books you can buy, which is brilliant to show you how to eat whole food, plant-based. Also shows you how to reduce and eliminate the use of cooking with oils and also salt, and then also using more natural ingredients. It's just getting lighter now. We're just falling out of winter and into spring. So what we're going to cover this week is the Tuscan white bean soup with roasted fennel, and I'm going to show you how to do this oil free, and I'm also going to use my Ninja air fryer. This is a real basic soup, and all you're using is cannaloni beans, but I'm also going to use a tin of butter beans. Then of course you need your fennel, and I'm actually going to use some of the fronds from this just to decorate. A onion, a lemon, some garlic, and some fennel seeds, and also some black pepper, which complements obviously the fennel. And then what I've been doing here is I've actually been stewing some vegetable broth or vegetable stock, however you want to call it. And all I've done is just add some of the vegetables and herbs that I've been using over the past 2 or 3 days, and I've been allowing that to infuse. I've also thrown in there bouquet garnish just to add that flavour. Really good. If you don't have this, you can just use water, but I would try and discourage using a lot of these vegetable stock cubes because it has a lot of salt and processed ingredients. So let's get going. have it. It's just nicely done now. So all I'm going to do is just spoon this up, some of the beans. Wow. And then to garnish, I'm going to place some of the roasted fennel. Place this in here, just slightly overlapping. Final garnish with the fennel fronds. So there we have it. Absolutely brilliant. Let's have a nice little taste now. Surprisingly really nice. It's really cleansing. The aromatics are absolutely superb. White beans and fennel just so complements each other. And of course, just trying the fennel. So please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this show. Also check out my playlist for other soups. Done some really healthy vegan and vegetarian soups now, which are absolutely superb. Stay healthy everyone, enjoy and have a good week. Take care.